Hi guys! Good morning! Today nandito tayo sa bahay ko. Tignan natin kung ano na yung currently na nangyayari sa construction, sa renovation. Sama ko kayo para i-tour ko kayo dito sa ongoing construction ng bahay namin. See you later! So guys, we're back. There's my house. Tignan natin kung ano na nangyayari ngayon sa bahay. Here, from outside, there we go. Ito yung side ng bahay. And then, ito naman yung harap. Sorry about sa mga sampayan kasi sa mga workers natin yan. This is the original house. This is right now sa nangyayari dito sa bahay natin. Pasok tayo sa loob. Kamustahin natin yung nangyayari. Hi Kuya, how are you? Ayan. This is the dining area. Tapos, this is the living area. Here is the place where the kitchen will be. Tapos, dito naman yung service area natin na meron tayong open ventilation there para pumapasok pa rin yung hangin at saka yung sunlight. Let's go up. Hi Peter, how are you? Here's the second floor. This will be a small family area. Here's another bedroom. Ito naman yung hallway papunta sa terrace. And here is the first bedroom. Shower area and toilet area, and here is common toilet. Kita tayo sa third floor. Second, third floor. Ito naman yung we have another bedroom here. Ayan. Here's another bedroom. There's overlooking sa mga kapitbahay natin. There we go. And meron pa rin tayong extension here sa side na to. And we have a roof deck there. And well, here, this is how subdivision looks like. Looking down. Ayun. There we go guys. Yan yung bahay natin. Hopefully matapos na kagad para matirahan na natin, malipatan na natin as soon as possible. Thank you guys. Miss you all. Bye.